Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can pay for Apollo Group TV with Cash App. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So to do that, first what you're going to do is simply going to go ahead and access your particular browser. Once you have done that, you're going to go ahead, type in Apollo Group TV or the Cash App guide or the Apollo TV Cash App. Once you have done that, you will be able to access the official website explaining a step-by-step method for you to connect to your Cash App and add funds to Cash App for your Apollo Group TV. As shown over here, you can see all you have to do is, once you have got your Cash App signed in and registered, you're going to go ahead, open your app, then you're going to go ahead, go to the bank icon in the lower left. And once you have done that, you're simply going to go ahead, tap on that banking tab, and then you're going to tap on the add cash button. Once you have done that, you're going to be entering the amount, preferred amount that you would like to send, and then cash you want to simply add to the Cash App. Once you have tapped on it, you will be able to simply send money to your Cash App itself, and that's how it will be done. Now you can do the section of how you can buy Bitcoin with it, how you can get wallet address and send Bitcoin. Everything is given in brief. You can choose to go through it manually, or you can also choose to contact them, tap on contact us to contact them for the further questions. So that's how it works. Hope this video helped. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.